Hello, today we are proceeding with the fourth movement of the long form Tai Chi Wu style. It's called Grasping the Bird's Tail. As usual, we will start with the previous move, 7 stars. 1, 2, and 3. Grasping the bird's tail, part 1. Rotate palms 1A, bow is 1B. Root is 2A towards the left corner B. Twist towards the right corner is 3. Part 2. Sit back, body vertical 1, 2A, body central, bow is 2B, root is 3A and B. Let's do once more. So after 7 stars, we rotate the palms and bow. Root towards the left corner, then twist body towards the right corner. Notice that it's the hips that are moving. Sit back, body vertical. Now body center, rotate the palms, bow, root towards the corner. Few details. So we rotate the palms first, both at once, and bow. So look at this, we are not bending forward. It's really the center of gravity moving backwards. Also, hands are not moving on their own. It's the whole body that moves and the hands just follow. Notice here that the wrist is at the shoulder level, just in the middle of the chest. Also, shoulders are not bending to one of the sides, they are parallel to the ground. Let's see from this angle. We rotate the palms and bow. Then root towards the corner. We maintain here nose-knee toe alignment as we twist towards the other corner. Now we sit back and body is vertical, body central, bow, root towards the corner. It is really important to notice that hands almost don't move. It's the hips that move and the whole body with it, and the hands just follow. And that's the theme throughout the Tai Chi form. So hands are not necessarily locked, but they just follow the body. Let's do once more the whole move. Rotate the palms is 1A, bow is B. Root to A towards the corner B. Twist to the right is 3. Sit back, body vertical, still facing the corner is 1. Body center, rotate the palms to A, bow to B, 3A and B.